Hey guys, I hope all of you are doing great. So I'm here with a haul video for a change. I usually don't upload haul videos because I end up using the supplies. As soon as I receive them, I start using them. But this time I decided I'm gonna shoot it first and then I'm gonna start playing with it. So the supplies which I'm gonna show you right now are some hand-picked flowers and some mixed media supplies from my favorite company called Prima Marketing, and as well as some stuff from other companies which I like. And most of the stuff which you see here is from scrapbook.com, and I'm gonna list down all the products below which I'm gonna show you right now with a link to the store so that it is easy for you to find. And let's get started. So I really wanted to try Finnabair stamps, these cling stamps, and I'm pretty sure they came about 6-7 months back. But as you all know, I started crafting back probably like 3 months back. December I started again. Before that I was on a kind of a sabbatical because I was doing my masters, and I happily graduated with a job in hand, and now I can afford my craft supplies. So these are the two stamp sets which I picked up, and I really think I can use them very well for mixed media, especially these circles. Probably the reason why I picked this one up was these circles and butterflies. Yeah, I just loved how these circles are crafted, and the good thing is that they are rubber stamps, so rubber cling stamps, so they're pretty thick unlike the traditional acrylic stamps, so they're gonna last you longer, and it's easier to clean these stamps in comparison to the other one. This is what I feel. And the other set which I picked up is this pretty set, and it has beautiful elements on it, butterflies and beautiful textures, which is again perfect for mixed media. So these are the two stamp sets which I picked up, and then I picked these two dies up, and like you'll be surprised to know that this die I had it earlier, I sold it, and then recently I started like I kind of envisioned some projects using this die, and I was like, okay, I gotta have it back. So I just went ahead and ordered this die, which is called the crochet doily, and it's beautiful. I have another one which I usually use in most of my projects. It's the other doily by Prima only, but this one also is absolutely gorgeous. And then I went ahead and ordered these leaves. I must be having so many leaves right now because I keep on layering my mixed media layouts, and these are perfect elements for layering your mixed media layouts. I'm gonna show how I'm using this die very soon in one of the videos which I'll do using the lavender collection by Prima. So these are the two dies which I bought, and then I went ahead and I bought these mechanicals mini stars, which is basically these are 36 pieces of small metallic stars which I can again use on my mixed media layouts. And this was again an old release, so this haul is mostly of some of the old releases which I think are perfect for the kind of crafts which I do. So I just went ahead and bought them, and this is one mechanicals. And then I also bought this petite round frame, and these are so gorgeous. Look at them, they look super pretty, and they have beautiful design all around them. And to accent that, I'm pretty sure this won't go inside this, but yeah, I bought these domes. So the story of these domes is that these were out last year, and the point of time I saw them, I really wanted them, but every time I used to be like, okay, leave it, like I bought so many of supplies for shaker cards and I never end up using them. So what's the point? Like probably I'm gonna waste it. But this time I was like, okay, I have to go get these, and I have a really great idea. I'm gonna make a winter wonderland inside this, and there'll be a tutorial coming up very soon, and you're gonna see how I'm using it. So these two I bought from the Memory Hardware collection of Prima. And then so most of you guys see me using in mixed media supplies these hinge clips, so I keep on using them for all my layouts because I want to have a possibility of changing my pictures whenever I want to. And moreover, when I gift them to my friends, I don't want them to have a picture of a random girl in their house, right? Because I usually end up using those emo beautiful pictures from Pinterest. So they can basically swap that picture with a good picture of their own family. So these hinge clips are perfect for that. If you'll see in the last 2-3 tutorials, I am talking about it, that how I use these clips. And then I wanted these arrows, and these are beautiful metallic arrows, and I keep on seeing them online, and I just went ahead and bought it this time. So these two, okay. And then another thing which I bought is this 49 Market die cuts, layered die cuts, and I love their range. My god, their flowers are so beautiful, very much different from Prima, but yet so beautiful. And I just love the way they have, like, their entire range is just beautifully displayed. All the flowers and all the accents and all the embellishments which come along with the range is mind-blowing. You guys should go and check the website out. So I got this beautiful die cut sheet, and then I also bought myself this stamp. I really wanted the stamp, and trust me, I don't have a single stamping block which might take the big one. So I didn't think it through, but I just wanted it, so I bought this stamp set, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I just love it. I have so many ideas for this one, and I'm gonna enjoy using this. Look at this, you can make a wreath out of it. I think this stamp, yeah, it's called Build a Wreath. So this stamp set I bought, and then I also bought myself this beautiful art extravagant Patina Effect paste. Let me just open it up for you guys. And this is again one of their old releases. I can do a whole video of all the new Prima stuff which I've got. So I told you guys, right, like my concentration is back to buying craft supplies over luxury goods, so I can't help it. Like, I just love buying craft supplies and using them. So these are the 3 Patina Effect paste which I bought, and I just love them. I've been seeing projects by different mixed media artists around, and I can't wait to start using these paste. And then I also bought myself this Snowflake paste. I used to have a Snow Effect paste. It was by some other company, but it dried out and I had to get one, so I just went ahead and ordered this one from Prima. I think they had it, like Prima also has a Snowflake paste, so I just went ahead and ordered mine. And then I'm going to show you guys one more thing which I bought is this Watermark ink, and my ink is over, like the one which I have right now, this Watermark, it's over. This one is not Watermark. Please excuse me for the reminder by my Alexa. She's gonna say it again. Oh, she did.
I'm not sure what went wrong.
Perfect. Just stay quiet. Okay.
Here's your reminder. Get my lunch.
Okay, so this is another ink called Watermark Dazzle, and this is again, this one has a little bit of frost in it, and
here's your reminder.
I'm so sorry guys. Okay, so this one has a little bit of frost in it, and this was the only one available at scrapbook.com, so I just went ahead and ordered it because my ink is dried out, and I do a lot of heat embossing. Okay, the next thing which I got are Prima flowers, my favorite, right? So I bought 10 packets of flowers. Most of them are available on scrapbook.com. Some of them might be discontinued. I'm going to link down everything below. So these are the beautiful flowers which I bought for myself, and I am in love with them. Look at the colors, look at how pretty they look. Like, Prima flowers are the best. Yeah, I think you know, like I was making a joke to my friend the other day. At least for me, Prima is like Chanel of craft world, right? I mean, it's something which everyone wants. Like, it's so pretty and so classy and so elegant, like all the flowers and everything which they have. This is another one which I bought, and I love this flower. See how beautiful these two are. Like, they're in different colors. The pink one got discontinued, so I couldn't get it. That was called Lacy. So I got this one, and the white one in this. And then in this sort of a flower, I got brown, pink, and I bought beautiful green. Okay, and in this one I have one more color which is again brown. So I got these, and then I got this one. I think I had been looking for these for a long time and I was very lucky to find them. So I got these two, and then I got this pretty one. So lots of prima flowers, mostly in browns and mint, because I have a lot of pink and I wanted to experiment with more colors. So this is my haul for today. This is all I bought. Oh, one more thing which I bought was this Novo glue pen. I am in love with this. Like in one of my videos, like this is from an old haul, okay, in one of my videos I have shared how I'm doing a gold foiling stuff using these glue pen and the gliding flakes. Let me get the gliding flakes here. So this is the gliding flakes. I have been using the glue pen, gliding flakes and stamp to make beautiful gold foiling effect on mixed media. I'm gonna share a proper video on how I have used this very soon. And then besides this, from Novo range, I also got myself these crystal drops in various colors. I have 8 of these in different colors, and probably I'll do another haul video of all the Novo stuff which I have. So for now, this is all which I had to share with you guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a big thumbs up and a comment below if you like something and if you want me to do something in future. And everything will be listed with the links down below. And have a wonderful day. Bye bye.